Hello to our favorite audience of Twinkle Thomas Food TV. Today we're going to make a dish for which we need 2 marrows and 5 to 6 or 7 potatoes. This dish doesn't actually have a name, so let's start. For the beginning, we are cutting down the marrows, like as you see in the video. Whenever finished, we cut it down, making a little bit salty. So make a salt, mix it, and add a little bit salt as well. You should continue this with the potatoes as well. Cut down also the potatoes, and later we are going to fry them. You can start with the marrows. You don't need to have the color of browns. All you have to do is fry them a little bit, because later you're going to cook it as well, so a little bit white coloring is okay. Go on and do the same with the potatoes as well. Fry them and make them ready for the dish. Make sure that both sides are cooked, like as you see in the video. And here it is. What we are going to do now is making the first slide of our dish. Put 1 slide of marrow and then 1 potato, and repeat this for the first one. Later we will need beef meat, which is just cooked with an onion. This is the second slide, so add the meat, let it totally cover the first slide of marrows and potatoes, and then go on and continue with adding again 1 slide of potato, 1 slide of marrow. This is a very beautiful dish and we hope you will like it. It already seems to be very tasty. After having done the third slide as well, all you have to do is adding the tomatoes, which are already cut down into half moons, we would say. So add this as well, the tomatoes, and then you will need to do 1 more. Of course, if you have ingredients. If not, then you can just finish there with the tomatoes. But if you have more ingredients, more potatoes and marrows, you can go on and do 1 more slide and then 1 more slide of tomatoes. It all depends on your ingredients, how hungry you are, and yeah. So go on and do the last last part by adding the tomatoes. This is also a beautiful design, and cook them for 15 to 20 minutes until the tomatoes are a little bit crushed, and then take out the pan and cover it with the cheese. We want the cheese to be melted, so put the pan back to the oven and let it stay there for 10 minutes or whenever the cheese is melted. And voila, this is ready. We hope you have liked it and enjoyed it.